Hello everyone and welcome. Today I want to show you how to make green plantain and yam fufu. We're using 4 green plantains already pre-washed. You don't have to peel the plantains. Plantain peels are edible and they are very nutritious. They are loaded with antioxidants which help the body to fight free radicals. All you have to do is cut off both ends and cut the plantains into small chunks to make it easy on the blender. Plantain peels are also rich in fiber, which is good for digestive health. So prior to watching this video, did you know that plantain peels are edible? Let me know your answer in the comment section, please. For this recipe, we will only need about 2 to 3 slices of yam. The yam is already washed, so you peel it and cut into small chunks as well. Transfer the chunks of plantain and yam to the blender. Add some water and blend until very smooth. Be careful with the quantity of water you are adding. It's safer to add less water and have a thick consistency. This will enable you to add more water while you're cooking it, instead of adding too much water and ending up with a watery consistency, which you may not like. I want you to observe the color of what we have in the blender. It is kind of dark. This is because of the plantain peel. So this resembles Nigerian amala. Because of the peel, the fufu will be dark as well. You will see exactly what I'm talking about as we go along in the video. Transfer to the pot and cook it, stirring constantly until it firms up into fufu. Observe that it is forming into fufu. I added about a teaspoon of oil. This is optional, but it helps to keep the fufu shiny, and it also prevents it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. After about 9 to 10 minutes of frequent turning, you sprinkle some water on the fufu, cover it, lower the heat, and let it cook for additional 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the quantity of the fufu. Then go ahead and turn it to combine very well, and your plantain yam fufu is ready. The fufu is still soft at this moment, so go ahead and wrap it with a food grade plastic wrap. It will firm up more when it's cool. And then you go ahead and enjoy it with any soup of your choice. I served mine with some delicious vegetable soup, so you can join me. Biarienli, that's how we say it in my language, Igbo. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly share with your friends and family, please, and subscribe if you haven't done so. I appreciate your love and support. Take care and remain blessed.